everyone. Today I would like to present on interview related to the theme of education. In the interview, we will discuss the journey of university student who worked hard to earn scholarships and was finally accepted into her chosen university. I'm pleased to introduce Mrs. Syifa, a student of Business Administration. She successfully obtained a scholarship after going through a competitive selection process, strong motivation in pursuing higher education. Thank you for being here, Mrs. Syifa.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm happy to share my story.
Okay, thank you. Is who support you during in the
My parents support me. They always encourage me. My teacher helped me and felt to document and practice interview. My friends and also support me when stressed.
Okay, the fourth question is, how did you prepare for the selection?
I mostly prepared home. I study and shared for information online and join online workshop about scholarship.
Okay, and the fifth where did you start preparing that?
I started in my first years of high school and focus on improving my grade and join activity to strengthen my application.
The sixth question is, how did you deal with the challenge during the selection?
I was challenging because there were many applicants. I felt nervous, but I made a steady schedule and practice interview question. I tried to stay calm and confident.
Okay. How did you feel when you were accepted in your university chosen?
I was very happy and grateful. It was the result of my hard work and thankful it to my family and my teacher.
Thank you for sharing your experience, Miss Syifa. Your story shows that effort and confidence important in achieving our goals.
Thank you. I hope you experience and can motivate others to keep trying and never give up.
Thank you. Good night, everyone. I'm Syifa Anwar. I'm from class KM103. My name is 25 or 50 101 0090 1. Good night, everyone. Today I would like to present the result of interview of the theme is education. Of my present a scholarship journey in higher education. In this time, I will explain of in this presentation, I will explain of the topic. The interview finding, my personal reflection, and the conclusion. Introduction. I chose this topic because education plays a very important role in shaping a person's future. However, not all students have equal financial opportunities to pursue higher education. Scholarship provide access to education for students who are willing to work hard and stay committed. Through this interview, I wanted to understand how determination and preparation contribute to educational success. The interviewer is Mrs. Siti Zaskia, a student of business administration. She successfully obtained a scholarship and access into her chosen university. After going through including document screening and interview, her experience is relevant because the reflection, motivation, effort, and persistence in achieving educational goal. Motivation. From the interview, I learned that her main reason for applying for the scholarships was to reduce financial burden on her family. She chose business administration because she is interested in management and entrepreneurship. She hopes to build her own business in the future. This shows that girls' goals are important in educational decision making. Support system. Mention her parents and she mentioned her parents were her main of support. Her teacher helped her prepare important document and practice interview question. Her friends are also give emotional support during stressful moment. Support during stressful moments. This indicates that success is not achieved individually, but through the collective support. Preparation. She started preparing in her final year of high school. She started preparing in her final year of high school. Most of her preparation was
than at home by improving her academic performance. Searching scholarship information online and joining online workshops. Early preparation helped her feel more confidence during the selection process. Challenge and strategy. The biggest challenge competition. The biggest challenge was the competition and nervousness during interview. To overcome this, she created a schedule. To overcome this, she created the schedule. To overcome this, she created a study schedule and practice answering possible interview questions. She also trained herself to stay calm and confident. This shows discipline. This shows discipline. This shows that disciplines. This shows that discipline and emotional control are essential in facing educational competition. K. Listen. From this interview, I learned several important lessons. First, preparation must start early. Second, strong motivation is important. Third, support from family and teacher matter. Fourth, confidence help us success. Personal reflection. Personally, this interview inspired me to be more disciplined in pursuing my educational goals. I realized that opportunities do not come easily. They required preparation and commitment. Also about perseverance, but also perseverance. In conclusion, scholarship create opportunities for students who are willing to work hard. The journey of demonstrates that persistence, preparation, and confidence are key for achieving educational success goals and help us reach our dreams. Thank you for attention, Mr. Ferry. Thank you for attention, Mr. Ferry.